Let's learn the letter E. Across the middle, up and around. E is for elephant. E. The engine driver got tired, so he stopped in the forest for tea and a boiled egg. Suddenly, he saw an eagle and a baby elephant. After a break, he continued his journey. Do you think the driver was wise?
E for elephant, big and gray. Engine and egg, hooray for E today. Eyes, eyes, eyes. Elbow, elbow, elbow. Elephant, elephant, elephant. Envelope, envelope, envelope. Engine, engine, engine.